Hi, I'm Kai. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful Christmas card which have a very nice looking poinsettia on it. Yeah, I know. You don't trust that it's easy for you. Just sit down and keep watching. You will surprised how easy that is. For this Christmas card, we need black papers, acrylic paint, and a flat brush. First, I will show you how to load the brush. Not like this, Lord. Not like this. And don't do this. We don't want any water on your brush. Make sure your brush is completely dry. Now we can load the brush with a dark color on one side and a light color on the other side. Yeah, just like this. Then move your brush back and forth on the palette until it has a very nice looking gradient. Load the paint like this 2 to 3 times to get enough paint for your brush. Press your brush on the paper and move it slowly. See? Now you get a very nice and smooth gradient in one stroke. We call it one-stroke painting. Next, I will show you how to draw this beautiful poinsettia. First, let's learn how to draw the petal. It is very simple. Draw a horizontal line, then a vertical line. Link all the points up. You should have something that looks like a kite, a fallen kite. Fallen kite. Align your brush with this edge. Press down your brush a little bit and then move up and down like this. Remember to move slowly and try to follow the kite shape. If you draw out of the kite, it is totally fine. It's just a draft to help you draw the petal shape. When you reload the brush, make sure the gradient on your brush is matched with the one on the palette. Don't mess up the direction, otherwise you will mess up your paint. For the other side of the petal, reverse your brush like this, so the same dark color is kept inside the petal. Align your brush with the other edge. Press down, then move your brush up and down slowly like this. See? Now you have a very stunning flower petal. Everyone knows that a flower is a combination of many flower petals, so you only have to repeat the steps and draw a few more petals. Then you will have a beautiful flower. If you are lazy, you can simply draw 4 to 5 petals. Then your flower will still be beautiful enough to impress your mom. But if you want to be an artist and impress everyone like me, you can add one more petals layer on the flower. Your flower will look more rich and refined with detail. There is another easier way to do this too. Simply click the like and subscribe button, then you can show everybody you really like me. Okay, please don't leave, because I'm going to show you how to draw the leaves. First, load the green paint on one side and the white paint on the other side. Then move your brush back and forth on the palette until it has a very nice looking gradient. Then move your brush like this, like drawing a smiley. Yeah, that is the basic stroke of drawing the leaf. Simple. See how we can paint a beautiful leaf with this happy stroke. Bring back our fallen kite shape. Add a V here at the top part, just like that. Align your brush with this edge, then start drawing smiles. Yeah, keep going. links all the smiles. For the other side of the leaf, reverse your brush like this. Keep the green color inside the leaf, align your brush with the other edge, and draw another row of smile. Good job, everyone! That's why I said it is the happiest part in this video. Not only you drew all the smiley, but also you can start playing around with what you have learned so far to create your very unique, stunning Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and I want to say I'm very sorry to all my subscribers that I haven't uploaded so long because I have some health issues in last month. But now I'm fully recovered and I can upload video again. So please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more drawing and vlog from me. And hey, you! Thank you very much. You don't know how much it means to me. You guys make my days when I was having a rough time. So thank you again. You guys are wonderful. Lastly, I wish every one of you have a Merry Christmas, and of course, love yourself, love your dates, and I will see you guys someday. Bye!